point on the board. How are you feeling now?
As I just said to the boys now, confidence has been low. You could see it basically in the team last week and the week before. But as I said to them, look, the biggest thing for us, we don't lose. And if we could take points from teams, i.e. Llanudno next week, it's going to be tough for them to catch us. And that's what we said from day one. The goal is, I know expectations are, to get into the playoff, but the biggest thing for us is to stay in this league.
When the goal for Llandudno go in, how are you feeling after that? Because it was a fairly even start. Aber had their own chances. Did you think, here we go again, or was it straight move on, we can do this?
Yeah, and I think if you've been watching the last 7 games of this run, that we've got to mention the luck that we've had. Yeah. I've got to be honest. In some games, hitting the post, cleared off the line. Some referees' decisions cost us. But today, watching that going in. But funny enough, I'm just saying to Nev then, and for the first time in the first 10 minutes, we must have had about 5 shots on goal. So good to see. At least then, because I can't remember a shot on goal last week. So at least we're getting into the areas to have a shot.
How do you think the new boys did today then? Mark had a chance in the first half and seemed to, his presence there seems to have a really positive effect.
One critical, as I've said to the boys now, is we've got footballers in the team and we can pass a football, and that tempo of the pass, the temper and the desire to get, and that's what literally that we were missing today. And we're getting into key areas again, getting people on the ball, but then just taking that extra touch or just that little sharpness. But hopefully that will come in training, and hopefully with Mark, I thought Karen done well. He battled well. Les has caused a lot of problems in this league for a lot of defenders. But overall, quite happy with that.
Now you've got the point. Those defeats that you had, and obviously unlucky in some of them. Do you think if you put in performances like that, you'll now start picking up those points because of the confidence?
Well, I think it's a 1-1 today. We've taken a point. There's a lot of work to do on the training pitch. I've got to be honest with you. That's where you grow, to get that dressing room right again, to get that confidence. I'm sure I mentioned in one interview, a couple of months when we were on that run, that we were bouncing in there, and you could see it now that we're very, very low. And that's, if we can work hard, still creating chances, and we have definitely got the quality in the team. That's not it.
So how are the boys feeling there after today's result? Is it relief or
relief and a little bit? Yeah, it's one of them. For the fact that no disrespect to Llandudno, they're bottom of the league. Don't have that false expectations to come in here to say that you're just going to walk in and have three points. They will be, they'll fight for everything Llandudno, and all the best to them.
What will you be looking for in the next game then, in terms of performance?
We went to Llanudno, we beat them 3-1 at the start of the year. But same thing again, they've done some very good signings. So I think another game plan to go down there. But I've always said it's all about us, and if we're right, we are a hard beater team, and we will score goals.
Do you have that game by game attitude?
At this moment of time, yes. When you've lost 7 on a bounce, there's no point looking for the next 5 games. We go game by game. Llanudno next week, training Tuesday, work hard, and then roll into Friday night.